scales airplanes. I think most of it's gonna be majorette. So we're gonna start unboxing each of them. And let's see, what can we get? So we have a lot of airplanes here, and apparently these are model aircraft from 1/500 scales. Most of it gonna be majorette. But let's just see what's on it. First one, it's like an A380 Airbus. Okay. Pretty good in detail and everything. From majorette Airbus A380. Operated by Airbus. Looks pretty cool. And yes, the airplane looks pretty cool from there. Here we have an Airbus A380. Now, second aircraft. We have an airplane that is a bit way too much broken. It's a Douglas DC-10 Swiss Air, which the livery can't even seen anymore. It's like a very broken aircraft, but I like the shape of the aircraft. Looks really cool. It's like a nice aircraft. So yeah, this is a Swiss Air DC-10. So I'm gonna take another one. Here we have the American Airlines 787-9 Dreamliner from majorette. This looks really good with the detail. And I'm gonna post the reviews of the aircraft every day, so you can see that in our video. This is a very big one. We have 747 right there from Lufthansa. Okay, the color is a bit old enough from 747-400. It's still good aircraft, and yeah, it's operated by Lufthansa. Looks really cool. But the colors are pretty much gone, so let's put this there. Okay, next aircraft, we're gonna get this one. This was actually a good one. Ooh. Boeing 787-9 by Boeing Dreamliner. So it's a pretty good model from Boeing 787 with the Dreamliner logo. It looks the same with the American Airlines compared to each other. So it's 787-9. So we've got two 787s, which is a very good one. We'll get the next one. Here we have a Lufthansa, which I really don't know what type of jet it is. Write in the comments what jet do you think this is, because it could be A321 or any other jet, or 777. Oh no, what do you guys think this aircraft is? Let me know down in the comments. It's a Lufthansa. Right, and the last aircraft there is pretty much good. Oh my god, that's the airplane I was looking for forever. At Qatar Airways. The A340-600. Wow. This is surprised. I'm surprised with this model. Looks very good. Look at this. The details of the Qatar. Looks very good. And yeah. I love Qatar A340. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This is the airplanes we got today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.